In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create AI music with Suno from sign up to download. To get started, open your browser and head to suno.com. Click sign up, then choose the login method that works best for you, whether that's Google, Discord, Microsoft, or an email address. Once you're in, you'll land on the Create dashboard. This is your main workspace where you'll generate and manage your songs. Before you make anything, take a moment to understand how credits work. Free users receive a set of daily credits, and each song generation uses some of those credits. Paid plans provide more monthly credits and may include commercial rights, which is important if you plan to use your music commercially. You can always see your current credit balance at the top of the screen. Keep an eye on it as you experiment, because every generation will deduct from that total. If you're testing ideas, keep prompts concise to conserve credits. Now, let's make a song the fast way with quick mode. Click create, then type a clear prompt like upbeat pop song about chasing dreams with female vocals. When you're happy with the wording, click generate. Suno will create two versions for you to preview. Listen closely. Headphones can help you catch details and decide which one fits your vision. If you're close but not quite there, adjust your prompt and generate again, staying mindful of your remaining credits. If you want more control, switch to custom. Here you can enable custom lyrics to paste your own words or turn on instrumental if you want a track with no vocals. You can also add a song title and write a style description that captures the genre, mood, and instruments you're aiming for. For example, emotional cinematic ballad, piano and strings, powerful chorus, male vocal. The clearer your description, the better the system can interpret your intent. When everything looks good, click Create and let the two variations render. Once your song is ready, open the options by selecting the three dots on your track. From there, you can download the audio, copy a share link, extend the song to add more length, create a cover, or edit lyrics if that option is available on your track. Extending is great when you need a longer arrangement, while editing lyrics helps refine phrasing without starting over. And that's the full workflow. Sign up, monitor your credits, create quickly, fine-tune with custom, and then download or share. Explore different prompts and styles, and if you need commercial rights, be sure to review the details of the paid plans.